We're cutting across live now to Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just touched down, and we're going to be seeing in moments from now the launch of the Kushinagar International Airport by Prime Minister Modi. It's a huge affair where you have Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath as well as several union ministers present. Remember, Kushinagar falls in the very crucial Purvanchal region of Uttar Pradesh, and with months to go for the elections, this visit is very, very important for the BJP. Besides the Kushinagar International Airport, the Prime Minister will also be launching a slew of other development projects. In moments from now, the Kushinagar Airport will officially be inaugurated. It's been built at a cost of 260 crore rupees. This is the third international airport that's been set up in Uttar Pradesh and will essentially ease the travel of domestic and international pilgrims. There on your screens, you see the footage of the Prime Minister along with several other officials at the Kushinagar International Airport. This is a huge step which the government says will boost tourism, will boost investment and employment opportunities for the people of Kushinagar. Remember that it is in this area that the Mahaparinirvana site of Lord Buddha is, which is the place of nirvana after death. So they are hoping that a lot more Buddhists, a lot of tourists will now visit Kushinagar with the inauguration of this airport. You've seen a very symbolic move also with the landing of a flight from Colombo carrying a delegation of over 100 Buddhist monks and dignitaries. It touched down at the Kushinagar International Airport, the first flight to really touch down at that airport since its launch. And you had Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath according a traditional welcome to the Buddhist monks who were present there. Prime Minister Modi, after the inauguration of this airport, will also pay his respects to the reclining statue of Lord Buddha. This is at the Mahaparinirvana temple in Kushinagar, which the BJP will be hoping, with the inauguration of this airport, will see a lot more footfall. The Prime Minister also significantly and rather symbolically will be planting a Bodhi tree sapling in Kushinagar. Now, while this is the big headline event, Prime Minister Modi will also be inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of 12 other development projects. One of them is the Rajkiya Medical College that will be built at a cost of 280 crore rupees.
स्वाभाविक रूप से ये विकास की एक नई उड़ान है। पर्यटन और रोजगार की संभावनाओं को आगे बढ़ाने और प्रधानमंत्री जी के विजन और उनके संकल्पों को जमीनी स्तर तक पहुंचाने का एक नया अभियान है।
जो यहाँ पर श्रीलंकन डेलीगेशन आई हुई है, काफी सारे बुद्धिस्ट मंक्स भी आए हुए हैं, इसका जो सिग्निफिकेंस है वो बता सकते हैं? बहुत बड़ी सिग्निफिकेंस है। बौद्ध जो स्थल हैं हमारे आसपास चारों तरफ, यहाँ पे तो परिवहन हुआ था भगवान बुद्ध का, लेकिन इसके आसपास कई जगह और हैं और उसके एक और बड़ा दायरा बनता जो वहाँ पर है। तो इन सब के लिए, इनके उत्थान के लिए, यहाँ पे पर्यटकों के आने के लिए, बौद्ध लोगों के आने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो यहाँ से कितने इंटरनेशनल रूट्स पर फ्लाइट्स चलेंगी कंट्रीज के साथ? देखिए, ऐसा है कि एक बार अब लोकार्पण हो जाए, इसके बाद एक जो संदेश जाएगा, जितने हमारे बौद्ध देश, जिन देशों के अंदर बौद्ध धर्म का ज्यादा महत्व है, तो अपने आप वहां से फ्लाइट आने लगेगी।
Let's take this across to Poulomi Saha. She's joining us live from Kushinagar, where moments from now the Prime Minister will officially inaugurate the airport. Poulomi, this is a mega event for the BJP, which is why you've seen the Chief Minister there along with the Prime Minister. You've got all of the top union ministers also present for this very, very important moment. Before we talk about the political significance, just run us through really the Prime Minister's schedule today.
That's right. As far as the Prime Minister's schedule is concerned, it's an extremely packed schedule today. The Prime Minister, of course, is here right now at the Kushinagar International Airport, where he will be inaugurating the airport in a short while from now, after which he will be headed to the Mahaparinirvana temple in Kushinagar, which is, of course, the place which is considered to be the final resting place of Lord Buddha, which is where he attained salvation, it is said. So he will be visiting that temple. He will then be going and laying the foundation stone for several projects in Kushinagar as well. That is his program here in Kushinagar, where we're right now. This evening, of course, Akshita, he will be interacting with global CEOs of oil and gas companies, which is a completely separate virtual program at 6 p.m., which is, of course, going to be focused on clean energy growth and sustainable energy. Right now, of course, this is a very crucial moment because a big contingent from Sri Lanka has arrived over here. Buddhist monks, a 130 strong contingent which has arrived over here. We can, of course, hear the Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, who is, of course, addressing the crowd right now, because a big moment for the aviation sector as well, with Kushinagar being, of course, inaugurated as an international airport. It is an